So there is a shot of my biggest fan. Thank you very much. And what I'd like to show you is right over here. So I'm going to take the pump that is right in here. You see? Submergible pump. I think it does something like, I don't know, 30 gallons a minute or something. I don't know. But more than I'm going to need. So that pump's going to blow water through that hose via that power switch that you see, right? Well, that's the cord. Cord goes into power switch that I can use so I can turn it on and off. Chicka chicka. And then that's my control. So then that turns on, power pump goes on, water pumps through there, Shambhala, all the way to over here, where you're about to see what happens when I flick the switch. Quick shot of the on-off action. On, off, on, off. Works great. So, you make sure there's water in the pump, cleaning fluid, whatever you want to use. In this case, I just have water for this test. Got my tri-clamp 1.5" fitting, fits right over my water bottle. I don't have a clamp on there, but I bet it would fit. But right for now, I'm just going to put my hand on there. Hand on switch. Do this, ready? Switch on. Switch off. Alright. Squirts like a charm. Look at that. Alright, that was a cool project. And there it is. Today's episode of this week's version of July's series of Beer Talk on the Beer Channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Curtis. Remember, Brewer's Hardware, Huntington Beach. Check it out. Ah.